The sessions have kind of encouraged me to keep going. There's so many things to think about when you're doing it alone, and to show me that it's possible. Because at some points I've thought, oh, there's just too much for one person to do who doesn't know what they're doing.
As a musician, be prepared for change.
I think just getting a sort of deeper understanding of how the whole record business works and how you can go about making money out of it and contacting people, you know, like managers, booking agents, press. Yeah, I really would recommend them. I think it's been great for my band because we're just at a point putting music out there wherever we can. So just having this sort of guidance of how to get people listening to stuff has been great.